Hi everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to split names in Google Sheets. So in here, I already have a list of names and I want to separate them between the first and also last name. So what you guys need to do is use the split function. So here, I'm going to just type in split in here and then parentheses and choose the text, in this case the names in here, and then you just need to click on comma and use the double quotation space, double quotation again, and then close it with parentheses. Click on enter and it will automatically split the first and also last name like this. And to do the rest of the data, just double click and it will automatically fill in like this. Okay guys, so that's so easy to split names in Google Sheet. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to click on thanks on below, like this video, comment, and also subscribe. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye.